Alright, so as you can see, I've got my clippers in my hand, I've got the shortest guard possible, and I'm working my way up the right side. I'm just going through and taking off a lot of the hair, a lot of the bulk, because I know we're going to take it down nice and tight anyway. So, I'm going to work my way around the head, starting on the right side, working my way to the back, and then I'm going to continue to work my way through the back all the way to the left side. Alright, so now I'm working the clipper work on the back of the head. You can see as I get to the occipital bone, I take my clippers and I start to kind of flick outwards. So I leave the hair a little bit longer as I go up. So that way I don't take above the occipital bone too short. So just working my way all the way around to the left side now. Alright, so now you can see I've got the clippers back in my hand. I actually never took them out of my hand. All I did was take the guard off. So now the clippers are in my hand with no guard, and I'm just going to work my way around the outline. So that way I can take the outline nice and tight, cleaning it up. And I'm just, again, going to work my way all the way around the head. Alright, so now you can see I'm basically taking my comb and scissors and doing a little bit of scissor over comb. I'm just blending the clipper work into the top a little bit cleaner. So I'm going to implement some scissor over comb, again working on the right side and then flowing my way to the left side. I've mentioned this in several videos before. I find as a right-handed individual it's much easier to start my clipper work and my scissor over comb work on the right side of the head, flow my way to the back all the way to the left side. Be super curious to hear if anybody else out there who is right-handed finds it easier starting on the left-hand side and why. I typically find that I think most right-handed people start on the right side. I've never asked a left-handed person what side they've started on. So, hey, hit me up in the comment section below and let me know what you do. Alright, so now you can see I've removed the clips which were sectioning off the top from the right side, and I'm simply just blending the top in with the right side using my fingers. Alright, now I've taken a center section from the crown to the forehead, combing that hair up with an angle so it gets a little bit longer towards the front, and I'm basically going through and cutting the top now. I'm just going to go through, layer up the top to basically wrap up this haircut. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, hey, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And as always, I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.